How to change Instagram profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Instagram profile picture. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change your profile picture on your Instagram, it's pretty simple. Open up your Instagram application, log into your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you're on your profile. Once you're on your profile, you want to simply go ahead and tap and hold on your profile picture there. Once you do so, you can see at the below pop-up will appear, and there you can see new profile picture, import from Facebook and remove current picture. If you want to remove, you can remove. If you want to import from Facebook, you can use import from Facebook. If you want to upload it from your device, simply tap on new profile picture. Once you do so, you want to go ahead and select your picture, and once you go ahead, you can tap on next and add in some filters if you want, and then tap on next and go ahead and upload it. This is how you can change your Instagram profile picture. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.